R for alpaca. R for alpaca. B for bull. B for bull. C for chicken. C for chicken. D for duck. D for duck. E for emu. E for emu. F for fallow deer. F for fallow deer. G for goose. G for goose. H for horse. H for horse. I for ibex. I for ibex. J for Jacob sheep. J for Jacob sheep. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for llama. L for llama. M for mule. M for mule. N for Nubian goat. N for Nubian goat. O for ostrich. O for ostrich. P for pig. P for pig. Q for quail. Q for quail. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for turkey. T for turkey. U for uriel. U for uriel. V for veal calf. V for veal calf. W for water buffalo. W for water buffalo. X for zimi. X for zimi. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebu. Z for zebu.